A lot of people from the outside would look at you and see that you set up this tech company, your customer base is growing rapidly, your headcount is growing rapidly, you've raised a great amount of money from VCs. They would look at that and think, he's really successful. But what does success mean to you?
I think there's an unhealthy tendency in tech startups to look at these these vanity metrics, these things that don't really drive like long-term value. And I've certainly been guilty of this. It's things I've mentioned today. It's things like how many employees do you have, how much funding have you raised, how many are you at your Series C or your Series D? Those kind of big milestones. It's really easy to point to and say, look, I'm succeeding because of that. But they're not. Those are not measures of success. That it's almost admissions that you can't do it on your own. We weren't able to solve this problem with just the 10 of us and the funding we had. We had to go out and sell part of the company to get more cash in and hire more people to help us. I think ultimately building a sustainable business is one of the goals, something that can last for decades. But secondly, the thing that drives me personally, that gets me out of bed, is it's the feeling of making something people sort of want and use and sort of appreciate, I guess. The feeling of standing in line at the coffee shop and watching someone in front of you pay at the counter with their Monzo card and hearing the barista kind of ask about it and having, just overhearing that conversation, that back and forth between two people as a silent observer. It's almost as if I'm behind a newspaper kind of listening in. That feeling is incredible.